Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally going to be decorating my front porch for fall. I am so excited. We have finally gotten some cooler weather here and all of our local pumpkin patches have came out with mums and pumpkins. So we are going to be on the hunt for finding some of those, and then we're going to grab some hay bales and start decorating the front porch. And I might even do a couple things to the back porch as well, but we're going to just refresh this space and get it nice and cozy for fall. If you guys are new here, my name is Kailyn and I do all kinds of homemaking and home related content. I have already done a ton of fall decorating, fall DIY ideas. If you guys are interested in seeing some of those videos, I will have them linked down below in the description. So before we head out to decorate, I did want to mention that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can take classes on photography, illustration, design, video, freelancing, and so much more. They also have classes on productivity and how to grow an audience, marketing, and creative writing, which are all great things to add to your tool belt if you are in the design space or even in real life circumstances. Skillshare is for everyone from beginners to pros to masters, and even if you just want to dabble into something as a creative hobby. The classes will fit into your schedule and your skill level. I've taken a couple classes on Skillshare already and I am loving them. The first one that I took was social media marketing, top tips for growing your followers and going viral, led by Kat Coyulette. It took about an hour and it was broke into 11 different lessons, which I really liked. I did it over the course of a couple of days, just whenever I had some free time, and I really benefited from the class. In the class, I learned the purpose of hashtags and also how to use my analytics to grow and even how to create the perfect post. It was so helpful and I really enjoyed the class. I also love that Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes. And the best part is it costs around $10 a month for an annual subscription. So if you are interested in trying out Skillshare for yourself, the first 1,000 people to click on the link in my description will get a free premium subscription to Skillshare. So if you are wanting to start something new online or get a new hobby, maybe if you want to start a YouTube channel or if you want to just take some vlogs of you and your kids doing some fun fall activities but you don't know how to use a camera or edit, I highly suggest using Skillshare to advance your skills and to get comfortable in the topic. So definitely check out Skillshare if you guys are interested. All right, let's go ahead and get to decorating for fall. Oh my goodness, it was such a beautiful day the day I was decorating. The high was 71 degrees and let me tell you, it felt amazing outside. So I was able to wear a sweatshirt and not burn up and it was glorious. So I hope you guys are having some good pre-fall weather as well. I feel like it's finally starting to cool off here and it feels amazing. So I'm gonna first start off by cleaning up a few spaces on the front porch, like our front door. I'm just wiping it down with some Method spray. It's the anti-bac version. It's just an all-purpose one and it works really good for places like this. And I'm using a microfiber cloth to just wipe everything down. And then I'm going to start my actual decorating. So that's what I usually do when I am freshening up the spaces. I also took a broom before this and knocked down any cobwebs that we had. And we also sprayed for weeds. That's something that we like to do seasonally. Sometimes we also spray for bugs. So the spray has worked really well this year, thank goodness. The spiders haven't been too bad, so very thankful for that. But if they are bad, this is the time of year that we spray for them.
Say you don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you.
Nothing says fall like hay bales, so that is what we're adding right next to our front door. And oddly enough, one of our neighbors was selling some bales of hay, so we were able to grab them right down the road, which was super handy. And I just think it adds such a cute fall vibe. So I love them. I'm also going to add a new doormat. I got this one from Kirkland's, and then the actual doormat that goes on top is from Joann Fabrics, and I love it. I think it's so cozy. I love the traditional colors and and the orange. I just think it's really pretty for fall. And then I'm going to hang a new wreath up. This is one that I did in a DIY video a few videos back. If you guys want to see how I made this, definitely check that video out. Now I'm going to play around with pumpkins and mums on the hay bales. I try to keep it even on both sides, and I also added some wooden crates and some pots from Hobby Lobby to add some different dimensions. And then to tie it all together, I also added some corn stalks, and I love the texture that I added right next to the door.
I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you.
Now for our little side table next to the chairs, I just added a wooden box with some floral arrangements. I actually had these in my kitchen a few videos back, but I decided it was a little bit too much for every day, so I'm just using them out here. And then I also am putting a Target Dollar Spot $5 scarf, and I'm kind of using it as a blanket, but I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it, so I'm not concerned with it being outside, and I tucked it behind the chair so it doesn't fly away. Now we're going to plant some mums into my planters. I love these rust colored mums. If you guys could tell, I am obsessed with rust this season. I feel like it's such a pretty fall color. So I'm just going to add some Miracle-Gro to them, and then we will get to watering and officially putting up the corn stalks. That way they are nice and secure.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
To secure the corn stalks to the house, we used command hooks, and I think these are a great option if you guys don't want to damage your siding on the house, but you need a way to secure the corn stalks so they're not flying around. We added 2 command strip hooks to each corn stalk.
And I really wanna know.
The last thing I'm going to do is to give the porch a good sweeping. I really wish I had a leaf blower for this. My parents have one, so I could have walked down and grabbed theirs, but just for timing's sake, I just went ahead and swept it off with a broom, and it was honestly so relaxing to decorate the front porch. I'm really glad that I waited until the weather got cooler. I almost did it even though it was hot, but I feel like it was way more enjoyable doing it in this cooler weather. So let me know if you guys have done any fun fall activities. I would love to hear. We are about to start going to the pumpkin patch and doing all those fun things, and I cannot wait. So if you guys want to follow along daily, follow me over on Instagram. My handle is at Kailyn_cash, and I am on there all the time talking to you guys, connecting, and it's a really fun community. So I'd love to have you guys over there as well. Alright, here is the final product of the front porch. I love it so much. I feel like it's so cozy and is very welcoming for fall. So let me know if you guys decorate your front porch for fall as well, and tag me so I can see how you guys decorate. I love getting inspiration from you guys as well, and it's so fun to see what you guys come up with for the holidays. I'm really excited for fall this year, just to kind of wind down and take a slower pace to our busy days. I'm doing some schoolwork with Brooks here at the house from The Good and the Beautiful, and it's been so fun and just really nice to be home. And there's something about the cooler weather that makes us want to get outside more in the evenings because you're not sweating to death, and it's just a slower paced style of days that we are just enjoying and really taking in this season. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.